we will be discussing about the very important topic of the chapter 4, heat and temperature. This is page number 56, and the topic is to discuss about the two different scales, measuring scales of temperature, such as Celsius scale or centigrade scale and the Fahrenheit scale. And it is very important to know the relationship between the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. This is today our main intention for discussion. This is module 2 discussion, and page number is 56. In our previous lesson, we had discussed about the temperature, the measuring of temperature, and the thermometer and the temperature scale. First, I would like to mention about the centigrade scale or the Celsius scale. Always remember that this is the most widely used scale to measure the temperature. It is called the Celsius scale, and the name Celsius, it is mainly named after the scientist Anders Celsius. He was the discoverer of this Celsius or centigrade scale, and the Celsius term has been taken from his name, the Celsius. Anders Celsius his name, and the surname part Celsius. This word has been taken to denote this scale. That's why the name of this scale is Celsius scale. This is the pictorial diagram of the Celsius or centigrade scale. Here we will find two different terms, lower points and the upper fixed points of the thermometer. This is the Celsius or the centigrade scale. Lower point or fixed point, it is the freezing point, or we can say the melting point, but the upper fixed point, it is the boiling point. About the length of the stem of the thermometer, the scientist Anders Celsius suggested that about the length of the stem of the thermometer, there should be two different fixed points. The lower point, that is the freezing point of water into ice, and the upper point, the boiling point of water. And between this freezing point of water into ice and the boiling point of water was graduated into 100 equal parts, and each graduation denotes in short form as this term, degree Celsius. And the degree, the unit measure of temperature, is denoted by this symbol, this one, degree. Therefore, we can say the thermometer with 100 graduation or degree between these 2 points, that means freezing point of water into ice and the boiling point of water, is named as mainly the Celsius thermometer. Now, what is the freezing point of water? The freezing point, this is the lower point of the thermometer scale, and the freezing point of water is, always remind that it is the 0 degree. It is also the melting point of water. Whereas the boiling point of water, it should be written as 100 degrees Celsius. As I mentioned earlier, 0 degree is not only the lower point, or we can say the freezing point of water, but the 0 degree Celsius is the melting point of the ice also. And that's why this 0 degree Celsius, the melting point of ice, is also called the lower standard or the fixed point. Whereas the 100 degree Celsius is the boiling point of water, and that's why it is called the upper standard fixed point. Mind it. The upper standard fixed point is the 100 degree Celsius. It is the boiling point of water. But the lower standard fixed point is the 0 degree Celsius, and it is not only the freezing point of water, but also it is the melting point of ice. Mind it. Hence, we can say each division on the Celsius scale or centigrade scale represents or denotes 1 degree Celsius. Mind it, 1 degree Celsius. Each division. There are two important informations about the Celsius or centigrade scale. Number one, during the melting point of ice, the temperature of ice remains constant, that is the 0 degree Celsius. And the temperature of steam over boiling water remains constant at the 100 degrees Celsius. For melting of ice, the constant temperature remains at 0 degrees Celsius, but for or over the boiling of water, the temperature remains at the constant 100 degrees Celsius. Now, what is the Fahrenheit scale? The name Fahrenheit was given by the scientist Gabriel Fahrenheit. He was the discoverer of the Fahrenheit scale. And like the centigrade scale, he also suggested two different points, such as lower fixed point or the melting point and the boiling point of water or the upper fixed point. In this Fahrenheit scale, the melting point of ice, or also known as the lower fixed point, is mainly marked as this one, 32 degree Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit is the melting point of ice, or we can say also the lower fixed point. And the 212 degree Fahrenheit, this is the boiling point of water, or we can say the upper fixed point of the Fahrenheit scale. In comparison to these two scales, Celsius scales and Fahrenheit scales, we can say that in the Celsius scales, in the Celsius or centigrade scale, the lower point is the 0 degree and the upper point is the 100 degree. But in Fahrenheit scale, the lower point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the upper point is the 212 degree Fahrenheit. And always remind that in Celsius scale, the difference between these 2 points, lower point and the upper point, is 100. That means these 2 points is divided and graduated into 100 equal division for the Celsius scale. But for the Fahrenheit scale, the distance between these 2 points, that is lower point and the upper fixed point, is divided and graduated into 180 equal division, and each division is called the degree Fahrenheit.